the second time around, it made me like Darth Vader as a villain. Like, I didn't really see him as a villain if you watch it from episode 1 on down. It's kind of like, well, that's why he's the way he is, you know? It's a good story. I mean, there isn't any black women in it, but
You said what?
there aren't any black women really in it, but I mean, what's up, Moby Games? What's happening? Doing a little coding. How you doing today? Do you watch Star Wars? If you do, what is your favorite episode? I think my favorite would have to be either Empire Strikes Back or Return of the Jedi. What am I coding? I'm coding in Python, and I'm doing this game called CodeCombat, where you pretty much make these little warriors and wizards and stuff, fight enemies and things like that. So it looks like for this, it says, what am I supposed to do? I didn't even read the thing. If the enemy is here, get the enemy's Y position. Oh, okay. Well, let's change that from 0 to enemy position.y. I think that's all it wanted us to do, to be honest with you. Boom!
What a ting!
Boom!
Novesty!
Hold on, you said Empire. Did it have
No, it did not have Cookie and Lucius in it.
Well, you said it.
Empire Strikes Back was one of the movies. That's what
What a ting!
one of them was called. He was like, did you say Empire? Is Jamal there?
Where is it? Didn't he get arrested?